Samsung Galaxy S24 series is going to launch next month, and the leaks about the latest features have been sending fans' curiosity to the next level. But seems like this new leak is going to put a break on this never-ending excitement. According to the South Korean news source, mobile carriers in the region are test running the Galaxy S24 Ultra's network compatibility within local networks. Notably, the device under scrutiny is the finalized product, not a prototype. Surprisingly, early testers have noted the absence of satellite communication in the S24 lineup. In an unexpected turn, Samsung has chosen to skip satellite connectivity from the S24 series. Insider discussions now speculate that this feature might come in the next generation, possibly the S25. This decision has raised eyebrows, especially considering prior glimpses of One UI 6.1 for the S24, which unmistakably featured this functionality in the emergency section. The abrupt removal of this feature just weeks before the Unpacked event raises questions. While ET News rationalizes Samsung's deliberate approach, prioritizing practical utility over hastened adoption, this explanation remains insufficient. Plausible scenarios emerge. Samsung's top brass might have deemed the satellite capability inadequate, opting to delay for a more refined release. Alternatively, there's the chance that ET News inaccurately reported the situation, casting doubt on the entire narrative. Time will likely reveal this mystery as the Unpacked event draws near. Meanwhile, a leaked image detailing the S24 lineup's specifics has surfaced. Whether a fan-made creation or an official leak, it provides comprehensive insights into the upcoming devices. Shifting focus, news on pricing for the European market has surfaced. The leaked data suggests a $50 decrease in price for the S24 compared to its predecessor, while the S24 Plus reflects a similar reduction. However, the S24 Ultra diverges from this pattern, priced $50 higher than the previous Ultra variant. An intriguing twist emerges when considering higher capacity models of the S24 Ultra. The 512GB or 1TB versions are actually priced lower than the S23 Ultra. It's essential to note potential variations in pricing across EU countries due to factors like currency fluctuations, local regulations, and ongoing promotional activities. Meanwhile, anticipation suggests the prices in the United States will likely be similar to last year's figures. For a detailed dive into the S24 Ultra, including surprising developments, check out our recent videos. And also share your thoughts about the absence of the SOS feature. Do you think Samsung should introduce satellite feature? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.